Good afternoon, everybody. We are starting today session 2 of our China Market Entry 2022 webinar series. And in today's session, we're going to be looking at the business models that exist in China and the financial resources that are needed to successfully enter the market, operate in the market, and succeed in the market. What we find with a lot of small, medium-sized companies or entrepreneurs that are looking to go into the Chinese market is that they do not have the knowledge of what they can and cannot do in market. They don't have the knowledge or the experience to know what type of models and structures exist, how to potentially create a phased approach to get into the market, and then most importantly, what are the financial resources that are needed to succeed in the Chinese market. I always tell clients there are two things that you should not underestimate when going into China. One is the time that is needed to properly execute your plan, and two, it's the financial resources that are required to actually succeed. One of the biggest challenges companies face or entrepreneurs face is the lack of financial capital to create a stable running business that is stable and running month to month. So if you're interested, please do register. The webinar is going to be going live in 45 minutes. But if you are interested, I'll provide the link to today's session and you can hop on in and see what we're talking about in regards to China Market Entry 2022 and specifically looking at China business models and the financial resources that are required. And we will end today's discussion actually about debating a little bit about the top 3 challenges that companies face when going in market. So again, I'll provide the link and I hope to see you later on today. Take care and goodbye.